Greetings, friends, warriors, AI enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and citizens of the world. In this video, I'm going to describe a third technique someone can use to make money with AI. The concept is known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially marketing someone else's product or educational system and getting paid every time someone buys and uses their product. If you go back and look at each of my first 6 videos, and also this video's descriptions, you'll notice unique links to several companies I started affiliate marketing agreements with. Let's head over to the homepage for 11 Labs, 11labs.io. They have a robust affiliate marketing program and a super intuitive website. As I build my YouTube channel, views, and subscriber base to eventually monetize my channel, I can additionally earn money through my affiliate link for 11 Labs listed in the description of this video. For everyone who signs up for a paid plan to produce kingly, beastly AI voices like my voice here through my unique link, I'll get paid 22% of all plans for their first year of subscription. The Earth has moved from the industrial age into the information age. There is an AI and technological revolution about to descend on the Earth and transform many aspects of the economy in a very short period of time. Your ability to create wealth in unique ways may indeed be the difference between flourishing and living hand-to-mouth in the days ahead and in the new, changing economy. Now is the time to begin to learn, teach yourself new skills, embrace the information age, and consider new ways of thinking to create passive streams of income. Thank you for joining me on my adventure. If you learned something here today, please consider liking, subscribing, and following me on my journey to raise up an army of entrepreneurs and become financially free together. Until next time, my friends, Thor out.